Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jereel back on your screen with a new video. If it's your first time on this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon so you will not miss any videos in the future. To all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for coming back to watch yet another video from me. You're the real MVP. And without wasting much of your time, let us dive right into this video. As the title implies, I will be spilling the tea on how to prevent your spouse, your husband, your boyfriend from hitting you. This remedy is the truth. If you try this out, you will never see him, or he will never lay his hands on you in the future. That is how authentic and powerful this remedy is. Now, this tip I'm going to share with you is going to ensure that your husband or your partner do not lay his fingers on you again. Rather, after the whole arguments, the whole anger and all that, he will be the one to come to ask for your forgiveness, because his mind or his conscience will tell him that he went overboard. That is how active and how powerful this remedy is. Yeah, so let's dive right into the remedy. I'm sure you guys have seen me with this drink from this mug. Yes, and this is water. I have cold water in here and I'm drinking it at intervals to stay hydrated, one, and as well, this is what you should use to stop your partner from hitting you again. Okay, this is what you should use. I know you'll be like,
what do you even mean, Jereel? What do you mean by that? How will water be able to stop my partner from hitting me?
Now I will explain. Did you see what just happened? Did you see what happened? If you did see, you'd observe that I had water in my mouth. And what does that imply? This implies that when your partner is quarreling, bringing down the roofs, angry, shouting, you should have water in your mouth so that you will not be forced to reply. You will not be forced. With this water in your mouth, nothing will make you reply to any of his, permit me to call it, nagging. Nothing will make you reply to any of the rude, harsh, or aggressive comments that will come from his mouth. All you need to do is just have water in your mouth. Once he's arguing, once the problem starts, once the quarrel is starting, just rush to the kitchen, get cold water and put it in your mouth. Don't go and get warm water. You can get room temperature, but don't go and get hot water or warm water, because it's going to get uncomfortable and you'll be forced to swallow it. You need water that you'll not be forced to swallow. Now, if he quarrels and quarrels and quarrels and maybe done with that phase and leaves, you can either spit out the water or you swallow it like I did. If he comes back in again to start quarreling you, go and get water and put in your mouth. If he leaves, you can spit it out or swallow it. If he comes for the third time, just quietly leave and go and get water and put in your mouth. Because what happens, he may tell you something that you'll not be able to contend with, and you'll be forced to reply. Now, when you're forced to reply, because definitely he knows that comment is going to put you off, that comment is going to provoke you, so he intentionally says it so that you will react, and then it will enter a physical abuse. It will get into the physical state where he has to hit you. And mind you, women, we are not meant to be empty vessels. If you have a quarrel with your partner and you guys keep shouting, quarreling, arguing, fighting, every other person listening, every other outsider listening, will always point at you as the bad woman. That's just how it is. You will always be referred to as the bad woman, as the problematic wife, as the problematic girlfriend. So because two people cannot be mad at the same time, you must protect your home. You must protect your house. You must protect your relationship. You must protect your husband, despite how bad it gets. Despite how aggressive, how angry he gets. Just have water in your mouth. And he's going to shout all through, but never will your voice be heard. Never will anyone refer to the situation as you caused it. Because at the end of the day, it is just one person, just a male voice that everyone was hearing. Nobody heard your voice. So you just need water. Try this water therapy and you will see your man will get tired, because he knows that even if he quarrels from now till tomorrow, you're not ready to respond. So that way, if you're not responding, he's not overheating. If you're not saying anything, he's not overheating. Only if you're saying something, he will overheat and come for you. But if you're not saying anything, he's not overheating. So every quarrel, every of his nagging, the shouting, is all falling on deaf ears. And you know what happens? No one will want to, talk, quarrel, or shout with somebody who is not even reacting. At a point, you will get tired and let it go. That is how it works. So we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this simple tip, make sure you try it out and you will have testimonies. Please be gentle, be nice, be soft, be a woman, and be the Proverbs 31 kind of woman. Thank you so much. I love you. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.